celebrating Pride. From LNER, we're really passionate about inclusion. We want to celebrate our LGBTQIA+ colleagues, communities and customers and spread that message of allyship.
It's more important now than I would say ever for everyone to come out and really show our visibility, because yeah, we really need to fight, keep fighting.
Just a way to express myself and feel comfortable with who I am.
Being with other people like me, it's very freeing and it's reassuring.
It is very important that we still celebrate Pride, not only because it's a way for us to come together as a community and celebrate queer joy, but it's also very important for us to come together and show that we still have a long way to go for queer rights and equality, especially for trans rights right now.
You're welcome to travel with us, work with us and get involved. No matter where you come from, what background you're from, we're all about inclusion and acceptance at LNER.